Hi Taurus, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of August is going to be for you. Month of August is a month where you need to focus on yourself, you need to focus on your energy, you need to focus on your healing, you need to focus on your passion, you need to focus on new beginnings, you need to focus on completion of the old things, you need to focus on balancing your emotions, you need to focus on what is your goal, looking at things very clearly, and you need to know that this month is going to bring in new beginnings. You have to keep your energy free, you have to let your energy flow, and everything that you deserve will come to you this month. The only thing that I see this month is you might not get as much time to spend with your family as you used to get earlier, and that is all right, because ultimately by end of the month you will have some better times with them. But during the month there is going to be travel, there is going to be some time that you'll have to spend in thinking about yourself, making your goals, or making decisions, or looking at how your life is flowing, what you need to do, how you need to move forward. So you will need time for yourself, you will need time for travels, for other things in your life, and you will need time where you release a certain things or let go of a certain things and not try to hold on to everything. There might be that you need to shift or you need to travel and you might not be able to take your family along, and you might just feel that, oh no, I want my family along, but that's not that's not going to be bad for you. Actually, you can let them be and you can travel and you can move, and ultimately you will be with them. But this time leaving or letting go of a little is very important for you, and the completions are going to be important for you. If we talk about your health, from the health perspective, first thing that I kind of see on your cards is that you need to take care of your spine health. So your back and spine is going to be very important this month, because there is a king and there is a queen, both of them are sitting. Second, I feel that there could be some issue with your health where you need to kind of take a little rest. So that can be like an issue with, again, the spine or the shoulders or arms, neck or legs. But that's not going to be bad for you actually, because you need that time to self-introspect, to think about where your goals are, think about where you're moving, think about what you want to do, think about how do you want to move ahead towards your goals, what are your passions, how are you shaping your life. So you need to think about a lot of things and what you need to complete and how you need to complete, and because of that you might just get a little off where you need to take rest and where you need to work on yourself. So that's why you might just have that issue or little problem, but it's not going to be severe. It's not going to be something where you are all completely on bed rest, you're not able to work, because you will be moving, you will be working. Also, another thing that I see, this is the second reading, and the second reading also shows something with the fire. So you need to take care of anything where you are dealing with fire, and this could be as simple as cooking. Just be careful, avoidable, but if you are careful then only. So just be careful while you're cooking, where you're doing your things. Just ensure that you're keeping yourself a little safe. That's another thing that you need to take care of. Other than that, I feel spending time in nature and having green leafy vegetables is going to be very important for you this month. So ensure that you have green in your diet, and ensure that you spend some time in nature. That's going to be very important for your health. Otherwise it's all over, it's fine, there is no issue as such. If we talk about your wealth or money, there is 4 of Pentacles, there is 6 of Pentacles, and there is 9 of Pentacles. So money wise, money will flow into your life. Whatever you deserve will come to you. Whatever you spend the money for, you're going to get the gain out of it. Whatever you deserve or whatever anybody else deserve, you will know, and you will know how to kind of use it. The only thing with money is that, one, don't spend money on luxuries this month. So if you've planned a holiday for the family, if you plan to buy something like a vehicle or a pet or anything, if you've planned to, or buy property or buy home, if you plan to kind of spend a big amount of money on something this month, avoid if you can. So avoid spending huge amount of money on luxuries or anything that is related to you, your house or your family. This month budgeting is going to be little important. Second, this month don't try to kind of hide what you have. So this month it is very important that whatever you have, and maybe it is with regards to taxation and other things, whatever you have to show it clearly. So don't hide anything. Also, if there is like a job offer or anything, Don't get too keen about how much money you're getting or how much money you've had or how much money you have to show to the other person. So don't get very, very keen on that. And again, I'm saying don't hide anything. That's going to be very important this month for you. Don't hide anything in terms of money, in terms of what you've got, in terms of what you have. Just be very, very crystal clear and be very, very open and transparent in terms of that. If we talk about relationships, now from the relationships perspective, I have a King of Wands and I have a Queen of Cups. So new relationships might come into your life. Also, because I have a Six of Cups, there is a possibility where a rebound relationship happens, like the old relationship comes back into your life. Now you have to ensure how do you look at that relationship and do you really trust that person over again. Because I would say that on the face value, don't take it, because if you see this person is hiding something in his hand and he's keeping the other hand ahead, where he's showing that he has nothing, right? So there is a possible where this person is very, very wise. She's giving these flowers to the one who's giving her the money. So she's careful about what she wants to give to whom. But at the same time, you need to be careful also, because if you see here, there is a boy and a girl who are kind of moving ahead. The girl has flowers in her hand, but the boy has a cage, and the cage has a bird, and the bird has the same clothes as the girl, like the same color as the girl's clothes. So somewhere there might be an intention to cage you, somewhere it might be an intention that is not very, very clear, somewhere it might be an intention that's not very pure. And usually Six of Cups is a good card. It's a good card, it's a happy card, it's a card of relationships, it's a card of life journey. But the way these cards are kind of showing it, and the way I see it, the cards are saying that you need to keep yourself balanced, and the more you are independent, more you are connected with yourself, more you are into your energy, the better it is, rather than getting into relationships. So maybe you would want to look at long-term things. Maybe you would want to open all the boxes and see what those boxes have. You want to see everything clearly and then only take a decision. So say if somebody comes to you and approaches you and proposes you for marriage, don't just say yes on the face value, right? So just take time and think about everything, look at everything clearly. Don't get over emotional and do something on the emotional situation. Rather, sleep over things and balance your energies and then take your decision. And if you are not into a relationship, or if you don't want to get into a relationship, that's even better this month, because this is the month where you can actually think about your passions, think about new beginnings, think about your heart, think about what you need to finish, what are the projects, what are the things at hand, how do you want to move forward, what are your goals, how do you want to achieve those goals, and you can actually focus your energies on that side, and that will be better for you. Rather, that will be very, very good for you. In terms of family, you might not be able to spend as much time with the family as you would have been earlier, or as you would like, but you don't have to be worried about that. Somewhere it is good for you, because you need to focus on yourself, your thoughts, your career, your mind and other things a little, and also ensure that you're not trying to carry everyone along or carry everything along, or hide things or hide situations. There are people who are going to enter into your life, there are new people who will come, and if you showcase yourself as you are, that's going to be better than if you portray yourself to be somebody else. If we talk about pregnancy, overall the energy is good. The only thing is two things. One, if there is any chance where you want to get to an IVR, or otherwise if there is any chance where you want to get an IVF or any medical help for in case of pregnancy, the money flow will happen, but ensure that you get second opinions first. You just don't take the decision immediately on the face value. In general also, if there is an health issue and the doctor advise you a surgery or anything, do take second opinion, okay? That's going to be very important. In terms of pregnancy, otherwise the cards are normal, the cards are positive. You will need rest though. In terms of your job and career, now there is something that has been on your mind from quite a while. You've been wanting like having a breakthrough, or some thought or some idea in your mind that has always been there, and now if you see, this person is holding that in his hand. So there's a journey that you will complete from something in your mind to something in your hand, and that journey will require you two things. One, it will require you to have patience. It will require you to be balanced. It will require you to release. It will require you to release what you have, what you want, how you want the things to be. It will require you to let go and just take this new journey. And when you let go and take this new journey, definitely things will work out better for you, and whatever you deserve, long-term goals, that you will see those happening. Another thing is, if you are actually getting into a new job, and if there is a kind of a clause in the contract, read everything very carefully, okay? Just don't sign anything on the face value, whether you are getting into a job or whether it is like a partnership contract or a contract for a project or anything. Read everything, don't take things on the face value. And if there is anything which is kind of putting you in the cage, like if there is a clause which wants you to which is basically to have you work for that particular organization for a particular number of years and all of that, then be very careful with that, and ensure that you read everything very, very clearly, understand everything clearly, look at long-term goals, and then you decide what you want to do and how you want to move forward. Otherwise, opportunities will flow. There might be a time where you'll have to kind of think and contemplate or introspect or think about how do you want to move forward, what you want to do and what you are getting out of it. But the more you let go and the more you are into that less anxiety energy, and the more you are into that energy of kind of, okay, let me see what this new life brings, the better it is going to get for you. Have confidence, don't worry, don't get bothered about things. Completions are going to be very important. So this month there is a possibility where you have something to complete, you have a work project, you have other things to do, and you are more focused on, you want to spend some time with the family, what is happening there. Don't get into that zone, rather be in your energy. That's going to be more helpful for in terms of your career. In terms of business, I would say partnership, if you're wanting to get into, I would suggest work independently. Don't get into partnership. Partnerships are not going to really work out very well for you this month, and there might be the hidden intention that the partner has who's giving you a business proposal or something. Look at everything very, very carefully. There might be something hidden that you do not know, that you cannot see, but in long term that might just harm you. So look at everything very clearly. Don't take things on the face value. If we talk about soul growth, students, I forgot about the students. So if we talk about students, this month release your energies a little. You don't have to be all the time studying, all the time sitting there with your books. Release your energies a little, spend some time out, spend some time with nature, spend some time with friends, but at the same time don't overdo it, okay? You need to ensure that you are balanced also. You need to ensure that you are focused on your goal also. You need to ensure that you know how and where you want to move. So have your aim and goal decided, complete the work that you need to, but just have some energy where you're spending some time with yourself as well and relaxing a little as well. If we talk about soul growth or soul path or soul lesson or learning, this is the month where somewhere I see a letter P also written here, so it might just resonate with somebody. But somewhere, if you see, there is 8 of Wands card, and she's actually there is a knife that she has. She's carving each of the wand, and then she's kind of painting it or doing some things on it, and she's with complete focus. She's working on that, and that is what is needed this month for you. Focus is very important this month. Completing the tasks or the things that you have on hand is very important this month, and focusing on what your goals are, what communications are coming your way, what are the things that you wanted. So focus on yourself, focus on how you want things to shape up is going to be very important. The more you're focused on how you complete the things and how you shape up your life, the more that will be shaped up like that. So that's going to be very important this month, and that will help you with your soul growth also. Overall, the energy is of letting go. Overall, the energy is of showing or being real, being who you are, and starting new, starting fresh by balancing your emotions. And again, I'm saying this month there is a possibility where you don't spend so much of time with your family, but don't get bothered about it. It will all go fine in the end. Number of the month is number 4. Number 4 is the number of meditation, of contemplation, of thinking, and of letting go, of moving in the right direction or choosing the right directions. And number 4 is also a number where the nature gives you miracles, or the nature gives you like things come from divine hand. But if you are kind of free, if you are not too occupied with the things that you have, will you be able to see that? So that's going to be very important this month. Color of the month, any shade of red and green, majorly green I see on your cards, so green is going to be very important. Also chakra of the month, the heart chakra and the root chakra, both the chakras are going to be very important because there is shifting, there is movement, and there is less time with the family, so there is burden on the heart. So heart chakra and root chakra are very important, so you can meditate on heart chakra and root chakra. But if you have time, just 7 minutes, and if you can spend those 7 minutes for yourself, there is a link in the description box. It's just a meditation for 7 minutes that address all the chakras. That's going to be working the best for you guys. If we talk about your affirmation or the mental exercise of the month, the card says expecting miracles. Miracles are blossoming in my life. So that is what your cards are this month, that the more you think about miracles, the more you want miracles, the more you believe in them, the more they come into your life. And this is the month where everything that happens is going to take you towards a miracle, provided you keep yourself open, provided you believe in yourself, provided you believe in your ideas, and provided you let the things flow and you complete the tasks that you have at hand. The surrender message, the first message is surrender denial. It says accept people and situations exactly as they are without denying the difficulties. Then you can see things clearly and make the best decisions. So at times what happens is that we want people to be in a certain way and we don't accept them how they are, and we keep this blindfold on our mind, on our eyes, and we are not able to kind of accept them. And until we accept them, we cannot bring in the changes that we need to. And once we start accepting them, we get to know how to deal with them as well. So accept the situations and the difficulties that you have around you, because once you accept them and once you start affirming that I have miracles in my life, miracles are happening in my life every day, you will see all those situations turning into miracles. Denial is what keeps you tied up. The second card is surrender to joy. It says a key to positive change in your life is to let joy in and savor it. Indulge in random act of smiling during both the hard and the easy times. Keep surrendering to more joy. So the more you smile, the more you are happy, the more happiness you attract. And that's actually the truth of life. Whatever energy we are into, we attract that energy. So smile every day, be happy. The more you are happier, the more happiness will come into your life. If we talk about the wisdom message of the month, the card is unfinished symphony. It's number 10. Number 10 is number of completions, and this card requires you to actually finish everything that you're working upon. Finish the projects, finish if you're writing a letter, if you're taking a call, if you're doing anything, finish that before you indulge yourself into the next activity. So that's going to be very, very important for you this month. And like I said, you might just get into that anxiety. I need to spend my time with my kids, I need to spend time with my family, I need to spend time with my girlfriend or boyfriend, and you want to kind of not finish, and you will say, okay, let me do this later, I will complete this later. That later will never come. So ensure that this month you don't put anything over to next hour or next day or next week or next month, whatever. You finish everything that you need to, because that is what will create miracles in your life, whether it is in terms of relationships, whether it is in terms of communication, whether it is in terms of your work, your business, whatever you have at hand, finish it completely. And because there is a symphony, put a little music to it, which means that you don't have to literally add music to everything, which means that choose your words very, very wisely. Whenever you are dealing with anybody, whether it is relationships, whether it is people, whether it is situations, whatever you have to say, choose your words which are musical, which are like better, which sound good basically. So choose your words very, very carefully. The more you add symphony, the more you add beauty, the more you add the good words into your sentences, the harsh things will also go across very well. So that's going to be the key this month. And ultimately, when you finish your work, when you finish your duties, when you finish your projects, that's when miracles will start happening. So do that this month. Don't forget to finish things, or don't postpone the things to the next hour or next day or something. I will also take out one life card for you from this deck. It's the mermaid energy deck. Before I do that, if you want to know more than this, you can actually connect with me through Facebook link. That's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I need my reading. I will share my number, will take it forward from there. And also there are a lot of videos that I do that can help you journally with your life, with other things. There are videos in the playlist, so please go through those playlists and watch the videos. And if you like something, please share it over with other people as well. And this doesn't happen every time, but I'll tell you what happens. So share it with other people as well, and when you share it with other people, definitely they will also get benefited. And that's the basic reason for this this channel that I have, so that good things reach people. So this one card came out, and I will take out one more. Okay. Message for Taurus for month of August 2021. Okay, you won't believe, but if you actually rewind the video and if you are able to see the last card here, this was the card that was the last card here, but I didn't pick that up because I wanted to shuffle again, but this came. Now this is the same card that came in the Hindi video as well, and it doesn't happen generally because both the viewers are different, so usually the cards are also different. There's a card of mystery and there is a card of gentleness. So they had the card of mystery in the Hindi video and the card of go with the flow. Similar, the message is almost similar. The cards are saying that there is a lot of mystery that's going to unfold. There are a lot of things that are going to unfold. There are a lot of things that you don't understand on the first glance, or we don't understand at the first glance. But if we are gentle, if we let things flow, if we let things happen in our life, we'll see all those mysteries getting solved. So the way to move through the mystery of life is through gentleness, and gentleness is when we let things flow, when we let things happen, when we are gentle with how we deal with people and situations and things. And that's what your key is this month. So the more you're gentle, the more you let things flow, the more mysteries will actually unfold and become clearer for you. So that's the message that I have for you guys. And if you like the video, please share it with everyone else. And like I said, if you watch the videos on my channel, do share the feedback and comments. Thank you so much. I will see you with the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.